Hello guys, what's up? Today I will be playing some Arsenal, but my freaking PC is broken. Oh, I joined. Okay, let's go, boys. Why is my game like half? Please. Can you get down, please? Frick. Dude, he's gonna unmod you. But why are like XD in the next second or so? So yeah, if you want to go and like give this guy some support. Oh, he's like okay. He probably doesn't play Arsenal, but we're pretty good friends. Like just in general, my keyboard is so delayed. I think it's because I'm recording, because my PC is always running a little worse when I'm recording. I don't know, just because the PC needs to like record stuff and. I had no ammo, and at 100,000 subscribers, at 100, if I ever hit 100k subs, I will probably do a face reveal. So you better subscribe if you want to see my. But I can show you my face, like if you want to, like later. But like it's only because he's my friend. I know him really well. It's not because like that I'm just doing this. You're not, bro. Frick. You're not hot. This guy just means hot like a sausage. Oh, that sounded even worse. This track. My keyboard is so delayed. Whee! I've already been recording for 2 minutes. Oh. Like, how will I win? I have the spell book against the concussion rifle. Well, like, I will make, if you guys want it, I will make even more, like, 1v1 with this guy. Maybe other people with this guy, but, like, he got a head start. And I want you guys to comment who's better. Say his name is Noah. Yeah, you got. Well, you're still ahead. That's what my friend said. I had 6 kills before you joined the server, and he said that it was unfair. I don't know where you are, so I'm just checking. I'm sorry for the lag, guys. I'm sorry for the lag. Well, it's because I'm not copyright. One thing I can't use because my PC is so virus protected that I can't even install OBS. So I need to use some other, like, what do you not say, recording. What? I didn't hear you correctly. It sounded like you said GG split. Does it cost money? Okay, well, I can probably. Can you guys? Wow. And one thing, this guy does have hacks, so. But like almost every time he. Yo, I report this guy. I want him to see banned next time I wake up and see on his profile. I want him banned, guys. If he's not banned before that I see, I will. Okay. Well, in the comment section down below, I will want you guys to give me dares I need to do in Arsenal, and it needs to be related. But like, you can send them if you want. You can send multiple if you want to, but you'll just. You know what you just almost said. I'm gonna edit that or bleep it, like 100%. There's no way I'm keeping that in the vid. Bro. It's called Scar. You'll see how bad I am at this game. Yeah, like everyone was hyped when this map came out, but everyone quickly learned this map's garbage. I'm probably gonna do one. I will probably do one 1v1 with this guy. Comment down below if you want me to do even more. Because crap. Well, I want you guys to like give me dares in the comment section now. This guy's doing self promo, but you've got to Mr. B. We're just I freaking hate you. Well, like I won't do like I'll maybe be live. Oh, garbage footage. What if my footage just corrupts? I'll be so crap. Like we can only 1v1. We've already been recording for 7. Why? One thing that we can only 1v1 for another like 7 minutes is because like you're like yeah, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Yeah, this 1v1 has been taken. Well, I'll probably just do 1v1 with this guy and like comment if you want more. Do you want more? Okay, but like just one thing, guys, that this guy. Dude, you'll see the footage. You'll see the footage. How laggy I am sometimes. I like Spike. When I live stream, I'm freaking gonna time you out because you're being a bad boy for like spamming. But I can easily unmod you. There's no problem on that, but yeah. We have already been recording for 9 minutes and we're just so garbage. That's mad clickbait. It needs to get a great thumbnail to get that. But like, if you want clickbait and a lot of, oh, this thing will see you at night. Hey, Daddy, I just want to remind you how beautiful you are. Just like and subscribe. It's not that hard. You better not done that, bro. This guy's a sweaty tryhard. Well, we have 5 minutes to end of this. We need to do this quick. Because it took us like freaking like I'm not an auto bow. I don't even use the auto bow. Crap, where are you? Frick! I don't even have the auto bow. My little brother is coming in the room. Sorry. Arrow in the air. If you sing Dance Monkey, I'm actually gonna delete this video. And I swear, do not do it, bro. She in 5. If you do it, bro, I am actually going to be mad. You ruined like some. You'll see the footage, bro. You will see the great aim of mine in the footage. Well, because you are.
Oh! Will the cat come in? Forget it.
My little brother's seriously talking to me. He's actually annoying me. Oh my god. Yeah. You aimbotter. This guy has hacks. What the? You're sweaty! You're sweaty! Holy tortilla chips! You're actually pissing me off by using your aimbotter. You're an aimbot! I'm not even gonna try anymore because like I have the M40. It sucks really badly. I need like I can't. There's like we have 3 minutes. It looks really annoying because I keep you have aimbot. You have aimbot. You have aimbot. Well, do you want to be together with me doing the outro? Don't kill me, but we're doing the outro now. We're doing the outro, bro. Get over here. Dude, stop! Okay, so we're on default dance beside each other. No, bro. Ready? 3, 2, 1, default dance. Guys, like and subscribe. Peace out.